All right, guys, so I'm standing here with Brittan. Now, Brittan is a sales guy, and he works for us here at Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. But he's also the guy who bought our very first 2020 Nissan Titan. So we're gonna talk to him and see what he likes about it, see what he dislikes about it, go through the entire feature set with him.
That's exactly right, Travis. That's why I bought the brand new 2020 Titan. There's many features that I like about this truck. The fact that they've got the new color Baja Storm, I absolutely love it. With the new 9-speed automatic transmission, there's a lot of features that I love. The Titan side steps, I think, is another profile to this vehicle that's absolutely amazing, as well as all the safety features. In the back seat, this is one of the biggest things that I think is most important to me, is all the safety features that we have. The side curtain airbag. I do have a little girl, so it's very important to me having the safety. Also the 360 that comes with the new Pro 4X. You got the emergency braking system. You have lane departure prevention. It'll beep at you. There's a bunch of other things that you can do. I find it pretty cool that they've gone ahead and done the side step, help you get up into the truck. If you're working, I like to go fishing, things like that. Accessibility to the back of my truck is very important to me. Also, the new design in the back, I found this to be a really nice touch to the new 2020 Titan. It gives it a little bit of a rugged look, a little bit of a new design, which I think that the Titan definitely needed. Back here, this is another impressive part that I liked. I like to go fishing, things like that. So to be able to lock up my extra gear that I'm not using is very important to me. I appreciate the sliding window that they have in the back. Again, how much room that I've got on this side. I think that the print that they've done, even with the partial leather and upholstery, is absolutely amazing. Guys, one of my favorite things about this new vehicle is the new 9-speed automatic transmission. What's so fantastic about that is more power for you. The torque's coming in at 413, the horsepower's coming in at 400 horsepower. That is fantastic, guys. That's why I personally bought this vehicle myself. It was the first one in Utah for a reason. Why I like this truck is not only does it look good, not only does it pull good, but it honestly is one of the best reselling trucks in America. So getting really into this truck, I think honestly my favorite part about this is that it's unique. Best bang for your buck, more standard features than any other truck out there in its class. I absolutely love the new LED lights that they've integrated in here as well. The tow hooks that they've done in the front, as well as the Nissan badging. They make this truck feel good, and they make this truck good, period. When I look back into both sides of the mirrors, and through the back window, I can see everything around me. Don't see any blind spots. If there was a blind spot, a standard feature is the blind spot monitor on the Pro 4X, which is awesome. There's a little spot over here that'll glow, as well as there's sensors in the steering wheel. This will vibrate if I'm coming over the lines, and then in the mirror, I can see by that little glowing light if anybody's there. See that light, I know not to come over. What they expect to pay, that's the easiest part of my job. I mean, we have such great incentives and rebates going on right now. Military, college grad, Nissan loyalty. If you come back and buy a Nissan from us and you've bought a Nissan in the past, you know, we have discounts for that. We want them to continue to buy from us, so that's why we're always taking care of our customers, not only with Nissan, but especially with Tim Dahle Nissan. Again, on this truck, it's hands down my favorite truck that I've seen. So there's no other truck out here that has more standard features, more standard horsepower, more standard torque. I mean, this really is the bang for your buck. 100% the best truck of its class out there, period. Nissan's really done it great. And remember, guys, if you didn't get it from Tim Dahle, you paid too much.
You've got to come down and see the new Titan today. Tim Dahle Nissan Southtowne. We get you moving.